In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a ShareFile link. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is find the file you want to share, and then you have two options to do this. The first one is going to be to click on Share Files over here on your dashboard, and then from here, you want to either drag and drop the files from your computer, or you could just go and, of course, share them from Share Files. So I'm going to use the first option, go in here, and I'm going to click on this one, and then click on Add. Of course, you could add multiple as well, and then from here, press continue, and it's going to give you a link you can then share. Okay, you can copy it, and of course you'll be able to essentially create that link and share it to whatever you want. Now, the second option you have is going to be to go to folders, find whatever you want to share. So I have this item here, and then you simply want to check mark it, and up top it says share. From here, you can just click on the share button, and as you can see, it's going to give you the link. You can copy it, and of course, when somebody uses that specific link, when you send it to them, they're going to get access to your specific file just like this. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to load me in, and it's going to give me the access to my file. They're going to have to log in to see it, but that's essentially how to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.